Are you scared? You know, I am you.
Choo choo! Yay, guys, we're on with the next Dollar Tree train. And you know what? We're having the Dollar Tree Fall into Halloween collaboration. Since fall comes first, we're going to show a little bit of both. And some of our creator channels may be showing all fall, and some may be showing Halloween and fall, or all Halloween. No matter what it is, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our videos. There are 12 in our collaboration, so 12 Dollar Tree hauls from across the USA, and you will be able to see different variety from different Dollar Tree stores. Now, if you are not a collab watcher and you prefer just watching hauls, well, then you've come to the right place, so don't get discouraged. We do have a collab with this. We do a giveaway, but you do not have to participate if you do not want to. But if you want to see what's in your local Dollar Tree stores, I would highly advise to check out all the hauls in this collaboration. It will be a quick little click to all the channels to see what's available, maybe even in your area. Now, there, like I mentioned, are 12 channels participating, and I want to thank each and every one of them. I want to especially thank Tracy and Chloe's Unboxings, Beauty, and More. I want to thank her specifically because she does work with me on the collaboration of the design of the thumbnails and our ad. She puts it all together and brings it to life, and I just appreciate her so much. She works diligently at it, and she's very creative with it as well. And thank you, Tracy. I appreciate you so much. Also in this collaboration, we have Laura Wooten Reviews, we have Katie's Corner of the World, we have Unboxing with Arlene, we have Brandy with Simply Southern Bells, Vlogs, and More, and we have Cher from Single Mom Reviews, we have Lori's Life, and we have Faye Blatcher. Now, we have a few new channels to the Dollar Tree train. That's right, they've hopped on board, and I want you to give a big welcome to Reviews with Sue and Mary of Mary Catherine Loves Cats and Favorites with Laura. How many of you have checked out Laura? Laura has a great channel. These ladies all have a great channel, each and every one of them. Sue unboxes all kinds of things. Mary unboxes all kinds of things and has a Friday night gab, and sometimes it's live and it's very fun. Laura does a lot of Temu hauls, and you kind of know what the rest of us do. If you haven't subscribed to them, please go and do so. But we're going to get on with this collaboration. There is a giveaway if you're interested at the end, and I'll go over all those details. We do try to keep these videos to around 12 minutes or less so that we don't take up all your time. With that said, during this process of our haul, we would really like it if you would rate our hauls for fun 1 to 10. I'm going to start off with my fall finds, because fall technically hit on the 23rd and comes way before Halloween actually hits the door. Even though I've kind of decorated, I've got a mix of fall and Halloween behind me, as you can see. But we're going to look at the fall first. And this first item I'm going to show you that you can get at the Dollar Tree can technically be either or, but this is adorable. It's set up for Halloween decor, but it's so pretty it could actually be during fall. And this is what it looks like when it's lit up. Isn't that adorable? I had to get it, and they might have had other colors, but I wanted to get your traditional orange pumpkin. And all these items that I'm showing you right now were $1.25. The next thing that I found and will use at the Dollar Tree is a dish drying mat, and this is in the fall pumpkin colors, and I really liked that, and it'll go with some of my decor that I have gotten. And then here I have farm fresh pumpkins, and isn't that cute? And I did kind of stick with the pumpkin theme, and I also like the sunflowers. And who doesn't like the little red wagon? I just thought that was a great find. And then of course, hello fall, and it's only been about a week since we've entered fall, and this is just appropriate because again, it has the sunflowers in it, and I love it. And then the last thing that I got for home decor, and by the way, we are picking out 10 items. It was very difficult, but I made it. I managed. I bought more than 10, and you'll see more in the giveaway. But here I found this cute little silver blue pumpkin, and I just thought it was so cute for fall, and again, it will go with my fall decor. Now, what did I find for Halloween? Well, of course, I found plenty for Halloween, but you gotta have a Halloween sign, and I found this very cute sign. It's kind of long, and it has the black cat on top with the green eyes, and I just really love that. I thought that was really cute, so I got that sign. I also found this gnome. Now guys, the gnome, as you can see, was $3, but it was so cute, and it's so big. For Halloween, I just had to get him, and I love gnomes. I love that this has purple, and then of course he's got his little jack-o'-lantern with him, and this is just so adorable. And I was shocked that it was $3 because a lot of their upsell items are $5, so I felt like I kind of got a steal with this. The next item that I found is a Halloween tree. How many of you out there have ever wanted a Halloween tree? I don't know if I ever wanted one, but I think they're cute. And this was $1.25, so it was just the regular price tree. So I got the decorative tree, and while I'm getting that, I might as well get me some decorations. So I got me some Halloween ornaments that's in the purple, gold, and black, and it'll match perfectly. And as you can see, it shows them on there. And I found these cute little gnome ornaments, and you guys know I like gnomes, but aren't those so cute for Halloween? Yeah, that was my haul. What do you think? We got through that pretty fast today. Am I leaving something out? I don't know, but that's what I got in my haul. So rate me from 1 to 10. I did half and half. I got my little gnome ornaments, I got my decorative ornaments, the Halloween tree, I got this really cute wall hangings, and of course, let's don't forget my gnome that I got. He was just so cute, had to get him. And then I got my dish drying mat. I got my 2 signs for fall, and these can definitely be outside or inside because they're made of tin. And then I got my pumpkin that lights up. So I'm real pleased with mine. Let me know what you think. Rate my haul 1 to 10, and you tell me how I did. And tell me which one's your favorite. Tell me your favorite out of the Halloween, and tell me your favorite out of the fall decor. My favorite Halloween, of course, is going to be the gnome because I just loved him. And my favorite fall, it has to be this pumpkin with the lights. So those are my 2 favorite things. Let me know yours. And now we're getting to the giveaway. You must be 18 years or older. You must be publicly subscribed to each and every channel that is in this collaboration, and we will check. There are not duplicate winners. There'll be 1 winner per channel, and only 1 winner can win within the 12 channels. So there will be 12 different winners. You must use a secret code word, and everybody may have a different code word and may not even use a code word. For mine, let's use the code word BOO. BOO, and you will be entered into this giveaway. Dollar Tree and or YouTube are not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. And what are you going to get? Well, I'm going to send you some Dollar Tree goodies. And some of these I bought because I just couldn't make up my mind. And one thing you're going to get is this little pumpkin Halloween box, and you can store goodies in there. You're going to receive this boo sign. That's right. What's our secret code word? There you go. And you're going to get pumpkin because I have an extra one right there behind me. And you're going to receive a happy Halloween truck because I have one of these too. You just can't see it behind my pumpkin there. And you're going to receive these pot holders that says, when witches go riding and black cats are seen, you know it's Halloween. Now you're going to get this Halloween towel that'll match up with that pretty good. You're also going to receive these Halloween wine goblets that says filling pump. So they match up. So you got matching cups here. I'm also going to throw in the ornaments. I'm also going to throw in the Halloween tree. So I'm throwing in 11 goodies from the Dollar Tree for you in this giveaway, and use the code word that we mentioned earlier and you shall be entered. And I want to thank you all for joining and hopping on board the Dollar Tree train. We all really love doing this collab. We hope that you do too. Be sure and tell us all your thoughts on it, and be sure and check my descriptions for any other giveaways that may be currently going on. And as for today and the Dollar Tree train, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.